Hey guys, this is Steve from Trim That Weed. And today we're going to talk about how to get rid of gophers in your yard. This video will take you through the most humane ways to keep those rodents away and stop them from burrowing tunnels in your garden. So stick around for the best guide. First, use traps. For homeowners who prefer a humane way of killing these nuisances, trapping them and relocating them somewhere far away from your yard will work best. You can use common live traps like Maccabee, Cinch, and Gophinator. The trick in trapping gophers is to spot a gopher burrow or mound and place the trap there. If you set your trap and don't capture any gophers in 3 days, move your traps to another mound, as that means that they have sensed danger. Repellents. Another humane way of getting rid of gophers is by using natural repellents. You can use natural repellents like fabric softener sheets, peppermint oil, and castor oil pellets. Place them in and around the burrows in your yard. Reapply these repellents after 2 days to ensure that you chase away all the gophers from your yard. You can also use fish scraps and pet waste, as gophers might think there's a predator and want to escape to protect themselves from danger. The only drawback from this method is that gophers don't go very far. If your neighbors have unfenced yards, you can easily guess their next destination. Contact an exterminator. If you've tried everything possible and gophers are still infesting your garden, then it's time to reach out to a professional exterminator for help. They'll get rid of these rodents effectively and give you specific tips to ensure that the gophers don't infest your yard again. Although some people might recommend fumigating or flooding gopher holes, or putting explosives in the holes, don't opt for these methods. They will harm your lawn and the gophers, and they don't guarantee you success. Furthermore, explosives might pose harm to you as well. So there you have it. Gophers can cause real damage to your yard. But that doesn't mean that you have to use violent means to drive them out of your property. Try the above tips to get rid of them humanely. I hope this helps. Feel free to leave a comment, like, and share this video. Until next time.